welcome to another third vlog. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Zara and I'm 22, mummy to two girls, Ruby and Lucy, and today's video is another cleaning one. We go away on holiday tomorrow and we've just come back from being away yesterday, so the house is manic at the moment. So here is my hour speed clean and I'll be sharing some tips and tricks with you. Hope you enjoy! So this is the kitchen before, and this is what I'm using for in the kitchen today. So to start off with, I'm just all-in-one spraying, disinfecting everything, make sure it's all clean to begin with. Now the washing up is all done, I'm just gonna disinfect all the sides and clean all the sides so it can dry. I'm gonna be using the Pine disinfectant and my Minky cloth. Get this from Wilko's, it's like £1, and I just spray a little on the, and it smells amazing. I also sometimes use the Flora and water diluted on the side. That can make your kitchen smell amazing. It depends what scent I'm in. So I'm just using my little cloth and a little bit of water because it's a mirrored microwave. Seemed a brilliant idea at the time to buy it. Now I really regret it because it takes a lot of cleaning. Because it's next to the sink, it gets splashes on it. Literally, just polish it up. Work it. These cloths are brilliant. These are the Spontex ones, and they honestly are the best ones. Ask Mrs. Hinch. Now that microwave is literally like a mirror. Hi. Now back to this area. I'm going to dry this up, put it away, and then I'll show you how I clean all of that. Now this is the sink, and ew, look at it now. Let's clean it up. Know you like I do. Like I do. They don't know you like I do. Next up, I'm just popping my soap crystals. These I got from Sainsbury's. They're literally just less than £1. Just down the drain. This is boiling water. Just gonna pour it all down. Ready? And that helps clean out all your drains and make them smell so much nicer. And then I get a cap full of my Flora. This is the Paradise Peach, but I love a bit of like springtime or fresh linen. Pull a little cap out and pop it down the drain to make it smell fab. Now I'm just quickly using my stainless steel intensive cleaning brilliant polishing and my pinky just to wipe it all down and make it shiny. I'm going out my mind. Give me some directions to get to you. Then to finish it off, I just wipe it all over with my buddy. My Spontex kitchen fibre one. And this makes it all nice and shiny. Oh, a little mark there, that's not dirt, that's an indentation. Really bugs me, that. God, I'm hitting the camera and everything. Crazy, tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, and now the last thing is to make your kitchen smell amazing and disinfect all your cloths. Then a little capful of my best friend's Flora in there, along with a boiled kettle. Not just the kettle, but like boiling water, you know. Not only does that clean all your cloths, disinfect all your cloths and make them smell nice, makes your whole kitchen smell nice too. Who doesn't love that? And I also got a tip for in the kitchen recently, apparently to clean your stainless steel with olive oil. Apparently makes it shine like crazy. Haven't tried that one though. Have you ever heard of it?
Give me some directions to get to you,
So that's the kitchen, all speed cleaned and tidy. Next room, and next room is the lounge. This needs all a big tidy up. I'm going to give those drawers a wipe down, maybe get the cat out the room, tidy all up. Bada bing, bada bong. And in here I'm just going to use a Spontex cloth for all the sides, my Dave, my disinfectant again, and some diluted fabric softener to make the room smell amazing. And now that's the lounge, a lot tidier now to get it clean.
You drive me crazy, tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you. I'll break the rules if it won't get me to, yeah. I'm going out of my mind. We don't sleep because the party don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me on.
And that's my minging duster from dusting all of them units. Now next up it's this combo, so it's diluted fabric softener, and I'm just going to spray this on all the fabrics and it smells amazing. Need to hoover.
I'm going out my mind. Give me some directions to get to you.
So that's another little tip. You can either use diluted Sephora or fabric conditioner all over your fabric and it makes the house smell amazing. I like using fabric conditioner now because I have found that it makes your fabrics a lot softer again. And I'm also using it to wipe down any sticky marks on here. You helping? It makes them smell good too, doesn't it? Now I'm just going to disinfect the table. And that is the lounge all tidied. Next up I'm just going to do the staircase. I'm going to freshen up the carpet and hoover and just give the banisters a quick wipe down, and then I've got to do in our bedroom, and then it should be done ready for tomorrow morning where I'll actually do the bathrooms and then we'll go. I'm just going to use the Carpet Fresh 101. The best scent is Thai Orchid Fragrance. And you just squirt it on and it smells amazing. That is another tip. Get this.
For you, my love, you drive me crazy, tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to.
I'm just gonna Dettol all in on all the banisters so I know there's no bugs and germs on it. Then that's my fabric conditioner. I'm gonna squirt it on the banisters and wipe it down with my Minky, and that gets off any grime. And then I'm gonna dust all of those bits with my Dave. And now finally in our bedroom, so the kids have got some stuff down here that I need to sort out. They've also put toothpaste all over this mirror, So I need to really give the mirrors a good clean, need to dust the windowsills and spritz everywhere so it smells lovely. So last room, woohoo! Now to sort out the mirrors to start off with, I'm actually going to use an old cloth and some window lean just because the kids have smooth toothpaste. So it's going to take a bit more than just my button cloth. You can't leave them now for more than like 2 minutes before they are destroying everything. Like, look at all that mess there. Window lean, just a cloth, get right off. And that is all. Hey hun, hi! That's all. Look at that, Hans. Look at that. Now, just getting Buddy and look, wiping off any smear marks. Get a big glass mirror, I said. It'd be fun, I said. Look, you see the smears there? Literally, God, so satisfying cleaning mirrors. Or is that just me? If that's just me, let me know below. Tidy. And that is my power hour of cleaning before we go on holiday. I best go put all the cleaning products back. So I've got a little gang of friends going on over here with all the products I've got, and go relax, pack the cases, ready for holiday tomorrow. I hope you like what you saw today. Let me know all your favourite tips below and we can share. We can just share. I hope this sends you some motivational cleaning vibes your way, honeys. Sending them. My cleaning routine is definitely changing a lot as I learn what I like and what I don't like, especially smell-wise. The smell is so important to me. But if you have watched my last cleaning haul, then you'll see some of the new products I've stuck in this time. And if you haven't watched it, just head a few videos back and I've done a huge Hinch haul of cleaning products that I now love. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, come join the Mother Bear Vlog family. We would love to have you around. Love you, see you all soon. Next videos will be holiday videos. Exciting.